naniniwala sa astral projection, sinasabi nila ay lahat ng tao ay meron raw kakayahang gawin ito habang tayo'y natutulog. Kadalasan nga lang ay hindi natin natatandaan or hindi natin alam na tayo'y nakapaglakbay na habang nakahiga sa kama. Para naman sa mga taong hindi naniniwala, ang mga pangyayaring ito ay pangkaraniwang panaginip nga lang daw. Meron bang pisikal na indikasyon na makakapagpakita ng kaibahan sa dalawa? At kung totoo ngang humihiwalay at nakakapaglakbay ang ating astral form habang tayo'y natutulog, ano naman ang nangyayari sa ating pisikal na katawan?
Tulad din na Arnold Clavio at Aling Presi, bata pa lang, nakakaranas na rin daw si Dave ng out-of-body experience.
Pinakaunang-unang beses, bata pa ako actually. So parang humiga lang ako sa isang side malapit sa TV. Bigla na lang nagulat ako, nanaginip ako, na ba't parang nakabukas yung TV. Tapos ang daming mga static sa TV. Parang nakahiga ako pero tumayo ako from my body. And then, pero hindi ako umalis. Parang tumingin-tingin ako sa paligid. Parang ba't nakikita ko yung paligid, nakatulog. Ba't tulog ako eh? Nakikita ko siya.
Hindi lang daw isang beses ito nangyari sa kanya.
As a result of tiredness, exhaustion, fatigue, parang when I got home, I was really tired. So parang humiga lang ako sa bed. And then while lying in the bed, parang I started experiencing na parang I was floating, I was shifting. Then suddenly parang I felt myself moving toward a light. Parang yung light na yun was like a star na ang ganda-ganda. While flying toward it, you actually can feel your body na parang may curve, may air, and everything as if you're flying already. And then as I approached yung maliwanag na star na yun, I saw parang meteors, comets, parang flying against me. Parang it was getting faster and faster. When I was getting near, so medyo nagkaroon ako ng fear, natakot ako. So then all that, parang nag-stop na lang yun. And then just woke up na lang.
Para lubos na maintindihan ang kanyang naranasan, minabuti ni Dave na pag-aralan ng astral projection.
I've been studying it for about a year already. My experiences were validated by fellow students who were also projecting at the same time with me. So parang I saw this and they also saw that. So parang it's the same, it's more objective and then more believable.
Kasama ang guro ni Dave sa astral projection na si Rob Rubin, ipapakita niya sa akin kung paano ito ginagawa.
Okay, so now, what you're going to demonstrate is projection.
Yes, projection.
So what will we expect to see with this demonstration?
Well, what we'll see is that Dave will enter a very relaxed, very deeply relaxed state, and then he will take some time in order to create his body of light and to transfer his consciousness into it. Now, for scientific research sake, we have tools here. We have the thermal camera.
May kakayahan daw na ma-record ng thermal camera ang enerhiyang lumalabas sa tao sa tuwing siya ay sumasailalim sa astral projection. Samantalang ang pagtaas naman ng frequency ng EMF meter di umano, indikasyon din daw ng pagbabago ng enerhiya sa kapaligiran.
Okay, so do you need to do any preparations before we do this?
Yeah, Dave just needs to meditate a bit or allow him to get to a deeper state of consciousness and he can start.
Okay, so we'll let them prepare. Pwesto ko doon beside the monitor, the mini TV, which will be recording images ng recording thermal. Hopefully, may pick up tayo. Rob also has his EMF, and then if it picks something up,